This is the gas station at Irvington. This is people getting turned away from gas after they've been here for 4 hours. This is the cops telling the people to leave. They've been in this line for hours. These are all the people that are pissed off walking home with no gas. These are the people arguing because somebody let their brother get gas. This is the line over here. Are they opening back up?
I don't know what time.
I was smacked the shit out of her. I swear.
Oh. Go back there.
You know why I like that? You know what she just did? The management, she got her brother, she put her brother 6 cans up of gas, then pull his car up with gas. That shit not right.
I can't even get no gas tonight. Wow, this is nuts, y'all. This shit is nuts.
They closing. But you gonna let all them come over there and get gas and shut it down. That was her family. She did that. I just said it. Those her family did that. I said, you think I care about? I got my cousin Keith Shepherd run north. Okay, I don't care about you being no cop. Right is right and wrong is wrong.
She said she like that's my brother.
And then she pull it up. Can't get him.
Well, the cops over there.
It's not right, but what he done do?
The cops over there letting all their families get gas.
No, they didn't let all their people come in here and get gas. It's not right.
Yo, she want to catch them right here and get gas.
They're not gonna let you do it.
That's how I want to know. I be always messing shit out her ass.
And that lady know me much as I come here. She know me.
And she the management.
But she know me. I come here all the time.
Every pump should be open.
Yeah.
Every single pump.
What's her name?
But she said they didn't want to.